the best filming location nobody knows about, Kurdistan.
So I'm sitting with some of Kurdistan's brightest talents in the film industry. So what are you doing here right now? You're preparing to pitch your ideas?
Yeah, we are preparing.
Some of the biggest producers' names here waiting for us, so it's a
can see
little
that.
bit exciting and scary at the same
Don't worry,
time.
Yeah.
you've got this.
It's my first feature film. It's about the Kurdistan in future in 2070. There was no water.
No water.
Yeah.
See, that's an interesting take.
And one person at the center of all of this is Bavi Yassin. Whether it was speaking on panels, meeting industry leaders, introducing people, or bringing together conversations that could create opportunities for Kurdistan, she seemed to be everywhere. And honestly, it's something we should be proud of. As Kurds, we've always taken pride in the role of women in our society, and seeing a Kurdish woman leading conversations at one of the most prestigious film festivals in the world is genuinely inspiring.